Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have let's see, COVID tests. It's 2 tests each. This is from USPS, the government's, and this one expires next month. Wait, no. Yeah, no, next month. So yeah, if you haven't gotten your COVID test, the link will be in the description below, and using that link, you can get your test. So that's it. If you're interested, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.